Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to spot for fun product discoveries and detailed reviews. In today's video, we're featuring the best Thanksgiving slime DIY kit and sensory activity to light up your holiday with festive fun. The GirlZone Sparkly Unicorn Egg Surprise Slime Kit. This magical kit brings color, creativity, and tactile joy to kids aged 7 to 12, and it's perfect for screen-free, hands-on entertainment during the holidays. Let's start with the packaging, vibrant, sparkly, and immediately eye-catching. The unicorn-themed design screams fun and curiosity. Once you open the kit, you're met with a delightful surprise. Everything your child needs to create their very own cloud slime and magical unicorn-inspired mixtures. Inside the kit, you'll find clear glue and activator, soft clay, foam cubes, glitter, pearls, snow powder, scented colors, and the iconic surprise mini unicorn egg. Each element is neatly packed and easy for kids to handle, making it super friendly even for first-time slime creators. The combination of textures and materials also enhances sensory play, helping kids explore how things feel, smell, and move. What makes this kit stand out is how engaging it is. Kids get to dive right in, mixing their own slime recipe, experimenting with soft clay to make butter slime, adding snow powder for a cloud effect, or tossing in foam cubes for a crunchy texture. It's not just fun, it's imaginative play that encourages creativity and builds fine motor skills along the way. Because it's designed with social interaction in mind, the GirlZone Slime Kit also promotes bonding. Whether it's siblings, friends, or cousins at Thanksgiving dinner, the kit is a perfect way to keep everyone involved in a mess-friendly, collaborative craft that keeps screens out of sight and smiles in focus. One of the highlights is the surprise unicorn mini egg, tucked inside as a final reward for all the slimy magic. It adds a layer of mystery and excitement that kids absolutely love. Combined with the unicorn scents and sparkles, it transforms slime making into a full fantasy experience. The GirlZone Sparkly Unicorn Egg Surprise Slime Kit is more than just a toy. It's a full experience designed for hours of entertainment, creativity, and sensory satisfaction. Whether it's a rainy day, holiday gathering, or just some crafty me time, this kit fits right in. And while it's themed around unicorns and sparkle, its appeal is universal for any child who loves to create. If you're looking for the perfect Thanksgiving gift or a fun activity to keep the kids engaged while the turkey cooks, this slime kit is a top-tier choice. That's it for today's episode on Product Critique, where fun meets functionality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more hands-on product reviews coming your way. Happy Thanksgiving and keep crafting!